Namaste, welcome to FitNCalm. In today's video, we'll focus on strengthening the core, having loads of fun. So for today, all you need is a yoga mat as well as a pair of socks. Okay, so wear something comfortable, wear your socks, get onto the mat and let's begin. Let's get started. Roll your shoulders back and down, back straight. Place the palms on your thighs. Keep the eyes gently closed. Take a breath in and breathe out. One more joyful breath in and exhale. Become aware of all the noises in the surroundings. You are at ease with the environment right this moment. Take a breath in and breathe out. Let's have a short-term goal that we will put in our 100%. Happily enjoy the practice and just be there. Breathe in and breathe out. We'll chant Om. Breathe in. Slowly becoming aware of your body and surroundings, we'll gently open our eyes. Let's get started. Take your palms up, fingers facing the sky. Pull your fingers towards yourself with a smile. Keep pulling, pull, 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 pull more, and then make a fist and rotate your palms. Clockwise directions, keep rotating. Keep rotating your wrist. We'll continue with the opposite direction, anti-clockwise direction. Keep rotating your wrist in anti-clockwise direction. And relax the hands. Just shake your hands. Relax yourself. Take a breath in and breathe out. And gently twist to the right side, look back, come back to the center and to the other side and come back. Now come onto your hands and knees, palms directly under your shoulders, knees under your hips. Now as you breathe in, arch your back, look up, and as you breathe out, round your back, stay there. Breathe in, look up, arch your back, tailbone comes up. Breathe out, round your back, middle back goes up and you come down. Breathe in and breathe out. Come back to the center. And now gently we'll move forward, weight is shifted onto the palms and move back. Forward and back. Forward and back. Last time, forward and back. Come back to the center and relax. Now gently come out of the mat. We'll fold the mat. Place the palms on the mat. Now slowly straighten your right leg and then straighten the left leg. Come into plank. Hold it there. Again, strong core. Keep your core engaged. Breathe in and breathe out. In and out. And now we'll get the right leg. Touch the right knee to the left elbow and back. Left knee to the right elbow. Keep moving your legs. Keep touching the elbows. Continue. Keep the core strong. Make sure you're not lifting up the hips. The hips are straight down and we move the legs. Keep touching the opposite elbows. Continue doing with a smile. Strong core. Hold it there. 5, 4, 3, 2, and last one. And relax. Knees on the floor. Stay here. Keep the elbows on the floor. Stretch your legs out and just hold it here. Lift the chest up. Lift the head up. Look up. Breathe in and breathe out. Normalize your breath completely. Relax the shoulders. Relax yourself. Breathe in and breathe out. in and out. Breathe in and breathe out. Once again, keep the palms on the floor. Get up, come into plank. Hold it there. Strong core, keep your core engaged. And now take the right leg out, get it in. Left leg out, in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Relax, sit on your heels, relax yourself. Place the palms on your shoulders. We'll do shoulder rotation. Take the elbows up, down and back. Continue. Breathe in, go back. Breathe out, touch the elbows together. Breathe in, squeeze the shoulder blades back. Take the arms up and down. Breathe in, breathe out. In and out. In and out. And opposite direction. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. In and out. In and out. Last time. Breathe in, breathe out. Just relax the hands. Now once again, get the palms on the mat. Lift your legs up. Stay here. Breathe in and breathe out. Strong core again. And now get the same leg to the same hand. And back. 1, 2, 3. Keep looking straight. 4, 5. Core engaged. 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Hold here. Breathe in and breathe out. And now we'll take the knee to the outside of the elbow and touch the elbow. 1, 2, with a smile. Core tight. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Relax. Knees down. Sit on your heels. Relax yourself. Just shake your hands. Let it go. Breathe in and breathe out. Normalize your breath. Breathe in and breathe out. Just relax yourself. And now we will turn back and place the hips on the floor. We'll place our palms on the mat. Fingers are facing you. And now place the feet on the floor. Lift your hips up. Lift up more. Hold it there. Breathe in and breathe out. And we'll move the legs front and back. 1, 2. Strong core again. 3, 4. Keep breathing. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Come back up and slowly take your hips down. Take a breath in and breathe out. We'll again come up. Stay here. Come down. Take both the legs forward. Straighten the legs and come back. Up, down, straighten, back. Up, down, straighten, back. Up, down, straighten and back. Up, down, straighten, back. Up, down, straighten and back. Last time. Up, down, straighten and come back. Just relax yourself, release the hands, take a breath in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. And slowly we'll sit in the normal sitting position. Take your hands forward and now get the left hand close to your chest. With the right hand, push it closer to the chest. Keep pushing. We'll just relax the shoulders. Stay here. Keep breathing. Breathe in and breathe out. In and out. Keep relaxing the shoulders. Hold, hold and relax. Relax yourself. Now on to the other side, the right hand goes closer to the chest. Stay here, keep breathing, breathe in and breathe out. Keep pressing the right hand towards the chest with the help of the left hand. Keep breathing, breathe in and breathe out. Hold it there, keep breathing and relax your palms. Take a breath in and breathe out. Take your shoulders towards the ears, back and down. Once again, shoulders towards the ears, back and down, up, back and down. Opposite direction, up, front and down, up and down. Come onto the mat and lie down on your stomach. Now place your palms beside your chest, a little below. Elbows are pointing to the sky, shoulders are relaxed. Now as you breathe in, slowly lift up your chest, lift up your head. Come into the cobra, shoulders are relaxed, elbows are close to the body. As you breathe out, look over your right shoulder. Come back to the center, breathe out, left shoulder. Breathe in, center, breathe out to the other side. In and out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. Continue, just observe the core as you breathe in and breathe out. Keep twisting, relax. Continue looking over your right shoulder and the left, right and left, right and left, right and left, and relax. Come down, relax your arms. Place the left arm down on it, place the right arm and place the left cheek on that. Relax yourself, relax your feet, breathe in. You can either turn the feet inwards or outwards, whatever feels good for you. Breathe in and breathe out. Stretch your hands out, lift up the legs, hold it there, keep stretching both the hands and legs in opposite direction. In the Superman pose, keep flying higher, hold it there. And now to go a little faster, we will just bring our hands back, elbows in line with the shoulders and forward. Again, back and forward, as if you're pulling something. Back, forward, back, forward, back, forward. Keep doing it with a smile. Continue. Breathe out and breathe in. Breathe out, breathe in. Continue, continue. And stretch it out, hold it there, relax. Place the left palm down, right palm on top of it. Place the right cheek on the floor. Just hold it there, keep breathing. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Normalize the breath. Take a breath in and exhale. We'll make the sound. Breathe in. Relax completely. Just completely drop your body onto the floor. Relax. Now gently roll onto the right side and lie down on your back. Bend both the legs from the knees. Palms are beside the hips facing the mat. Now as you breathe in, lift your hips off the floor. Hold it there. Keep pushing the hips towards the sky. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Hold and very slowly, one vertebra by one vertebra, we'll place the hips on the floor. Stay here. Breathe in and breathe out. Now gently get the knees close to your chest, hug them close to your chest. Stay here. As you breathe out, lift your head up. Hold it there. Keep breathing. Relax your head and relax the legs. Take your hands at shoulder level, palms facing the floor. Keep your feet mat width apart, knees are separated. Drop your legs onto the left side, lift to the right. Come back up. Drop your legs onto the right side, look to the left. Up, onto the other side, look in the opposite direction. Come up, let the legs go in the opposite direction. Up, legs onto the left, look to the right. Up and other side. The legs and the head go in the opposite directions. Keep just moving your legs and the head. Relax your back completely. Just feel the relaxation in the back. Breathe in and breathe out. In and out. In and out. Come back to the center. Now straighten the left leg. Now lift up the right leg. Foot towards the sky as if you're stepping on the sky. Hold it there. And now drop your leg towards the left hand. Look towards the right side. You can also bend your knee if this is not very comfortable, or straighten the knee. Look towards the opposite side. Stay there. Feel the twist on the stomach. We have done a lot of exercises on the core, so we'll just relax the core. Breathe in and breathe out. Slowly lift the right leg up and relax the right leg. Lift the left leg up, foot facing the sky. Keep the knees straight and now slowly drop it towards the right hand. Look towards the left side. If you want, you can also bend the knee. Hold, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Come back up and relax. Palms facing the sky. Rest in Shavasana. Take a breath in and breathe out. Just place the entire weight of the body on the floor. Relax all the muscles of the back. Relax all the muscles of the stomach. Relax yourself completely. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. You can follow this practice with the Yoga Nidra video on the channel, or you can simply keep lying down for some time. Thank you for joining us. May you stay fit and calm.